Hi, I'm Christian Triola, author of the Missing Method for Guitar books, and in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to strum along to the song Yellow Ledbetter by Pearl Jam. And for some reason, the title of that song always trips up my tongue. It's hard to say for some reason, but it's a great song. If you're not familiar with it offhand, it's the one that starts off and then kind of goes from there. But we're not going to learn that part today. We're going to learn how you would strum along with it. So we're taking chords that you would find in Guitar Chord Master 1 or just some basic chords to learn how to play this song. So first, let's talk about the three chords that make up the whole song. First, we have E major, which of course looks like this. First finger's on the third string, first fret. Third finger is on the fourth string, second fret. Middle finger is on the fifth string, second fret as well. You strum everything. That's our main chord for this song. Next up is B major, which is not a very common chord you find for guitar, but the way it's shown in Guitar Chord Master 1 is you have your first finger on fret 2 of the first string, and then all your other fingers go on fret 4 on strings 2, 3, and 4. And those are the only strings you strum. Now, if you happen to know the bar chord version of that, the B major, this way you can use that as well. So we have E followed by B, and then finally the last chord we have is A major. Like that. So we have the third finger on the second string, second fret, index finger on the third string, second fret, and middle finger on the fourth string, second fret. Strum 5 strings on that one, and you have A major. Now to strum with that, what you'll want to do is listen to the song, kind of come up with a strum pattern. Here's what I've come up with. It sounds like this. And then that pattern repeats. So it's E, B, A, back to E, continues on E to start the next pattern. And the song just goes through that over and over again, making it a great one to learn, a great one to play around the campfire, a great one to practice if you just know a few chords. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, make sure you give me a like, and also go check out themissingmethod.com, and I'll see you there.